you really make money on YouTube if you don't have any influence or you're not what we would call a YouTuber? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's videos. How can you actually monetize your YouTube if you don't have a large following? And I'm going to share with you my strategies, my tips on how I have been able to build a substantial income thanks to YouTube. But if you could see at the time of this video, I only have about 7,000 subscribers, and it's taken me many years to build that influence of the 7,000 subscribers. But what I do have is a proven plan that has allowed me to make a lot of money in different ways from my YouTube videos. And so I want to first get started, kind of share with you how I got started in this YouTube space. So I got started because I saw that there was an opening for a product that I'm affiliated with, and there was nobody over on YouTube that was promoting that product, right? And so what happened was when I started to do Google searching, there were lots of people, there were thousands of people that were searching for this particular product, and nobody was showing up over on YouTube. And so if you want to gain some traction on YouTube, you can start exactly the way that I did. So what happened was I started posting about my product that I was affiliated with, like I said, and the next thing I know, I got a sale, and then I got a sale, and then I got another sale, and I kept getting sales. And fast forward 4 years later, I still get multiple sales every single week because of my YouTube videos for the products that I'm affiliated with. So one of the things that I recommend is going to find a product that you like that maybe is showing up in search, but people haven't necessarily started to make YouTube videos about it. One of the places that I recommend is ShareSale and A1 Affiliates. Those have like a conglomerate of different affiliate products that you can kind of go and look at. In fact, I had somebody that bought my YouTube course, and she made some video on a beauty blow dryer, and it went viral for the same reason, because there was nobody that was showing up in this space. And so what ended up happening is the company wanted to buy the rights to that video. So that's another way that you can earn money on YouTube. So number one, you can become an affiliate of a product that you are passionate about, that people might be searching about, and that maybe nobody's ever written a video about, and you continue to produce YouTube videos every single week around the product, what the product does, and an overall theme of what your channel is about. So over here on my channel, I am a top network marketer, and I teach network marketing tips and strategies on how to build a business online through social media. But I also teach about the affiliate of that product that I am associated with, and I earn up to 36% commission on every single sale that comes in from my YouTube orders, right? So YouTube has definitely been my most profitable platform, yet at the same time, it is the platform that I probably have the least amount of social proof, right? I've got over 100,000 followers over on TikTok. I've got, thousands of followers over on Instagram and Facebook, but YouTube is my most monetized platform. And it's because of these strategies, it's because of these tips that I've been able to implement over here on YouTube. So yes, you can make a full-time income with YouTube using affiliate marketing the right way, strategically, where you're diving into doing some of the research that's over, on Google to see what people are searching for. And then you show up with a YouTube video and you craft content around that, right? Now, the second way that I've been able to monetize my YouTube is I do have a course on how to use YouTube. But if you want the free masterclass, what I'm going to do is in the description of this video, I'm going to link for you my free masterclass that I have on how I've been able to monetize my YouTube. So definitely make sure you click the link below so you can get my free access to my masterclass to learn how I've been able to do YouTube and grow a substantial online business without having the influence that so many other influencers and YouTubers have. But I've been able to monetize my channel so well, right? Because let's be honest, yes, YouTube pays me now. I've earned that right to do, Google ads and get paid from YouTube, but my AdSense account doesn't bring me in a ton of money. It's several $100s a month. It's nothing that I could, obviously go full time on, and it fluctuates depending, every single month. Sometimes AdSense are way up, sometimes it's down. And so there's definitely other ways to monetize your YouTube. And I'm so grateful that I have been able to find the affiliate niche, the course niche, and then the fourth way I should say say, to be able to monetize your YouTube is then through creating brand deals. One of the things that you can do is you can then reach out to these other brands that you've affiliated with, show them your videos and see if they would like to partner with you in some regard, or see if they would like to do some sort of marketing with you or buy the rights to the video, or you can get an affiliate link or whatever it is that you're looking for. There's agreements that are made, because at the end of the day, a lot of these companies don't know how to produce the videos, but you do know how to produce the videos. You do know how to show up on YouTube. And so you will be able to directly monetize that way, right? And so I'm here as living proof of somebody that has made, thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on my YouTube videos without being an influencer, without having YouTuber status. I remember I got this message from somebody and they're like, well, but you only have and I think at the time I had 3,000 followers, and why should we listen to you? And I was like, well, the reason that you should listen to me is because I only do have 3,000 followers, and I have been able to monetize so well on YouTube without being an influencer. And so there's definitely different ways to do it. Affiliate marketing, like I said, A1 affiliates, share sale is going to be probably the quickest way that you can start to affiliate and start to create content for products that people are searching for. Also, if you're very much on trend with, on point with trends of today, like if you go to Google Trends and you see what people are searching for, and then you can create videos and testimonials of products or whatever it may be that has hit the market. Those are great ways to start to build some sort of clout on YouTube. And then you have your affiliate link, whatever it may be. You put that in the description of your video, and you can watch the videos start to get monetized, and you can start to get orders on autopilot, kind of like I have been able to do for many, many, many years. And then when you're ready to take things to the next level, you can affiliate with a course, you can make a course, but there is a lot of money to be made over on YouTube, and it's the number one reason why it is my most monetized channel, even though I don't have a ton of influence on here. And I want that for you too, because it really is a game changer for anybody that is looking to do an online business, affiliate business, network marketing business. It doesn't matter. YouTube is definitely a place for the average person to be able to make a substantial income. And I'm super excited to share with you my strategy for YouTube. So again, in the description of this video, I have got my YouTube masterclass to help you get started on YouTube. And as always, my question of the day for you is, have you put out your first YouTube video? Let me know in the comments if you have already started your YouTube channel. I would love to know. Thanks.